While everyone fears Yellowstone's supervolcano, scientists discovered the real danger is already exploding. The headlines have missed the true story. In 2025, the threat isn't a massive eruption that could end civilization, it's something hiding in plain sight. The constant danger of a sudden glacier explosion. While the world waits for a catastrophe that may not happen for thousands of years, the ground at Yellowstone is already exploding, capable of carving out 300-foot craters and launching car-sized boulders without warning. This isn't a theory, it's the threat of violent, unpredictable steam explosions. First, let's address the supervolcano, the massive crater left from an eruption 640,000 years ago. It's one of the most monitored locations on Earth. A full-blown VEI-8 eruption would indeed be a world-altering event. For years, the narrative has been that this giant is overdue, but in 2025, scientists have confirmed this is not the case. The U.S. Geological Survey, or USGS, has stated that volcanic activity is at normal background levels. The official volcano alert level is normal, and the aviation code is green, the lowest possible ratings. New scientific models provide a clear picture of the system underground. Early in 2025, researchers identified a semi-solid magma cap miles below the surface. This cap acts as a leaky lid on a pressure cooker, slowly and safely venting gas and heat, which stabilizes the entire system. Further studies this year have revealed the magma below is not a volatile, liquid hot tank ready to blow. It's a slushy crystalline mixture that lacks the fluid fuel for a super eruption. Scientists discovered the real timeline. The odds of such an event are 1 in 730,000 in any given year. The volcano isn't overdue. Our understanding of it was. But if the supervolcano is stable, what happened in 2024 that forced authorities to close a major section of the park? The immediate problem lies within the very features that draw millions to Yellowstone National Park: its glaciers and hot springs. They are all part of a volatile, high-pressure plumbing system, and in 2025, this system poses a clear and present danger. The threat is a hydrothermal explosion. New research reveals a chilling reality. While a supervolcano provides years of warning, a hydrothermal blast offers almost none. These are not magma eruptions, these are explosions of pure weaponized steam. The underground system operates like this. Water seeps deep into the earth where it is heated by the magma chamber to temperatures far exceeding boiling. Immense pressure from the rock above is the only thing keeping this water in a liquid state. If an earthquake, even a minor one, fractures that rock, the pressure is instantly released. The superheated water flashes into steam, expanding to over 1,500 times its original volume. The resulting force is brutal and instantaneous, hurling mud, boiling water, and multi-ton boulders hundreds of feet into the air. This is not a theoretical danger. Yellowstone has issued violent warnings. The most significant event occurred in the summer of 2024 at Black Diamond Pool in Biscuit Basin. Eyewitness videos show the ground churning before erupting in a terrifying blast of steam, water, and rock. Debris rained down, destroying the boardwalk where tourists had been standing moments before. Boulders the size of car tires were thrown hundreds of feet. While there were no injuries, the event was a stark demonstration of the forces at work. Due to this ongoing instability, which included smaller explosive events through late 2024 and into 2025, park officials closed the entire Biscuit Basin area for the 2025 summer season. This wasn't an isolated incident. On June 12, 2025, a new USGS webcam documented another small eruption from the same pool. The 2024 explosion revealed something terrifying about the park's underground network that scientists are only now beginning to understand. The evidence of these steam explosions is written across Yellowstone's landscape. Mary Bay, on the shore of Yellowstone Lake, is a pair of overlapping craters nearly 2 miles wide, created by a series of massive hydrothermal blasts 13,000 years ago. These were not volcanic eruptions. Research confirms that smaller, yet still highly dangerous explosions happen with alarming frequency. Blasts large enough to create craters over 300 feet wide occur every few hundred years. Explosions on the scale of the 2024 Biscuit Basin event likely happen somewhere in the park every decade. Smaller bursts occur annually, often unnoticed in the backcountry. The danger is twofold. First, unpredictability. The park's monitoring system is designed to detect the slow movement of magma, not the instantaneous rupture of a steam explosion. Second, the direct risk to humans. Millions of visitors walk on boardwalks constructed directly over these unstable thermal areas. Since 1890, official records show at least 22 fatalities from thermal feature incidents, a significant hydrothermal explosion in a densely populated area, such as near Old Faithful, would be catastrophic. If you find this analysis of the real dangers at Yellowstone National Park valuable and want to stay informed on the powerful forces shaping our planet, please take a moment to like this video and subscribe to the channel. We provide deep dive reports like this one regularly. In response, scientific focus is shifting in 2025 to monitor these immediate hydrothermal threats. Following the recent explosions, new equipment is being deployed. In May 2025, the USGS installed a dedicated webcam to monitor the volatile Black Diamond Pool. More advanced technology is also being tested. A prototype station in Norris Glacier Basin successfully detected infrasound, low-frequency sound waves inaudible to humans from a small stream blast in April 2024. This marks the first time such an explosion was recorded with this level of detail, offering hope for developing early warning systems based on these faint seismic rumbles. In June 2025, crews began installing 2 new seismic stations, one directly at Biscuit Basin and another near Slow Creek, to gather more precise data. This is the new frontier for Yellowstone monitoring. Predicting a supervolcano is a long-range forecast. Predicting a steam blast is trying to determine the precise moment of a lightning strike. After the wake-up call of the past year, it is a race science must win. For decades, public attention has been fixed on a supervolcano that modern science confirms is not an imminent threat. The events of 2024 and 2025 have forced a critical shift in perspective down to the ground beneath our feet. The evidence is now impossible to ignore. While a super eruption is a distant geological scale event, the danger from hydrothermal steam explosions is immediate and present. The iconic boiling pools and steam vents are not merely attractions, they are the safety valves of a powerful subterranean engine, and sometimes those valves fail. The story of Yellowstone in 2025 is not one of global apocalypse, but a more direct and personal account of the raw, unpredictable energy simmering inches below the surface.